EJ, Philip Lee. Good to see you, Al.
Hey guys.
What's going on, Philip Lee?
Nothing much. Tony's over there.
CSX D765 Clear Ward, 285 out.
You guys look good, as far as I can tell. Be safe going to westbound and stay cool. Whew. I'm glad you guys are in the cab. Less stinky. I ain't getting shade. It's getting too hot. I think Tony is seeing you right now, I think. I know he's at Asian House Hobbies. Last time I knew. Can't do hot out.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 2.6. Track 1.
I wonder why you guys put you on truck 1. I wonder about that. Huh, interesting. I guess something else coming eastbound too, I guess? I don't know. Huh. Learning something new every day. I'm getting excited to say cool. It's too hot out. The awesome crew on D765, Mike and EJ. Yeah, I want to say that one part because I don't want to get you guys in trouble, me in trouble, so I will respect.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 2.6. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 1.9er 2. End of transmission.
I probably text you, but yeah. So I want to say it on video, but I don't want to get you guys in trouble, me in trouble, and everybody blah blah blah. Alright guys, I'll probably text you. So alright, talk to you guys later. See you guys maybe in the next one.